In this video, I'm going to show you on how to trade in Roblox Mobile. Let's start. For this tutorial, we'll be using a browser as we can trade on the Roblox app. Now let's open the Google Chrome and then search for roblox.com. Next, make sure to continue in browser. Now, sign into your Roblox account. You'll see this page again and you need to select Continue in Browser below. Once you're in the Home tab of your Roblox, then tap the three lines icon at the top left corner. In the menu, select Trade. Now in here, you'll see here the inbound, outbound, completed, and inactive trades that you've made in the past. As for my account, I don't have inbound trade request for now. So how can you trade? For you to better understand the trading system of Roblox, then simply tap on this How Do I Trade question under the Trades section to redirect you to the Help Center. You need to read this article and understand it well to avoid any issues. So basically, you need to visit the player's profile page that you want to trade with and then click the button that looks like the three dots on their profile. If there's unavailable tradable items for you, then it will show the trade items option. But for this one, I don't have any items that can be used to trade. That's about it.